Hi guys, welcome to the video. This is a super easy beginner friendly makeup look. I hope you enjoyed the video and keep on watching.
Body, lip, got it, job on it today.
Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to use the Crayon Case, the New Rule palette. I don't know the names for the colors because there's actually a sheet that goes on this instead of the names being printed on the palette itself. So we're going to apply this to my brow area. And then we're going to go ahead and blend it in. It does have some kickback. I'm sure you're seeing that as I blend it in. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep applying that to both eyes. Now, this is really a super easy look. It's really only 2 colors. And you could really get away with just doing one if you really wanted to, or you were in a time crunch. Just use that one color that I'm about to use after I apply this and just blend it up, and it'll probably do the trick. That's what I did the last time I did this look. I only used one color, and that's the color that I'm using now on my lids. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my lids. It did take quite a bit of product to get the look that I was going for. These shadows are super blendable, but you will see when I tried to blend them together, it kind of took away some of the color. So I had to go back in and apply more. But I do, outside of that, I do love the shadows. Like I said, they're really easy to blend. They are pigmented. They just sometimes will blend away on you a little bit. As you can see, this is what I'm talking about. I have to go back in and apply that color. You can definitely see the difference after I blended it to see that, yeah, I needed more color. So I'm just going to do the same step to my next eye. And then that's pretty much the eye look. Like I said, this is so easy. Like if you're just starting out in makeup, this is going to be the best thing for you. Find a nice brown shade that's close to your skin tone or a little bit darker than your skin tone, and use that, and you will be good to go. So let's blend that in. Blend, blend, blend. Keep blending keeps you from looking crazy out here in these streets. So we're going to go ahead and apply more to put that color back in. Yes. Alright, so I'm blending one more time, but I'm doing it a little higher up so I won't take away that color. Okay, so now I'm going to start on my face. This is the Pixie Hydrating Mist. I love this. I actually use this instead of a moisturizer most times. It does work really well if you have dry skin. This is the Skindineva Makeup Primer. It's a spray primer. I love this. I've been using this for years. If you've been watching my videos, then you've definitely seen it before. This is the e.l.f. Poreless Primer Putty. It's the one that's comparable to the Tasha Primer Putty. I just applied this on my nose, above my lip. I did put a little bit in the middle of my forehead. I don't think I recorded it because I did record it. I do have a line in the middle of my forehead that comes from me being dehydrated and also from me raising my eyebrows and looking at people like they're crazy. Yeah, I might want to start doing that, but yeah, that's not gonna happen anyway. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply this and pat it in, and it actually helps really blur my pores. All right, so now I'm gonna color correct with the MAC, what is it, priming? I don't know, girl. It's the MAC primer. MAC color corrector. Jesus, y'all, I'll get it together. So I just had a couple of spots that I needed to color correct. I have a couple of moles that I'm getting now, and then I had another spot on my forehead that I scratched myself. So now I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This is a little bit heavier for my dry girls. You have to really be light-handed with this particular foundation, because if you apply it like you would a normal foundation, it is going to crease on you and it's going to be very heavy. If you're looking for a full coverage foundation, baby, this is it. She is going to give you coverage for days. Believe me, it covers up everything. So y'all, the dog is in here growling at me. I think she wants to play. Anyway, on with this. So I'm just blending it in with a beauty blender. This is the original beauty blender. I still use them. I do have the Real Techniques ones, but I still like my original beauty blender. And then I do also blend it up to my ear so you can't see a line of demarcation. I'll also blend it down on my neck too. Alright, so I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. And this one has kind of a peachy undertone to it. So it's going to do a little bit more color correcting along with brightening. So I just apply that. I don't apply too much because I just want to cover my under eye and get rid of those dark circles. So a little dab will do you. Now I do use a dryer to dry it down to give me even more coverage. Like this has a good amount of coverage on it as is, but I even want even more coverage because I do not want those dark circles peeking through my makeup at all. So I applied it on the main areas above my lip, on my chin, and on my forehead to brighten up those areas. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend that one in. So let's get the blending.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away.
All right, so we are blending in other areas now. We're going to blend it out. I really do take my time when I blend everything out so that way it's in the correct place. It's giving me the coverage that I need. I forgot to highlight my nose, so I had to go back in and add that. So we're just going to go ahead and blend out the forehead and the nose, and then we're going to go into the next steps. But I would really say make sure you are taking your time when you're blending, because you don't want the concealer to end up somewhere that you didn't mean to put it. Now this, what I'm using to set my under eye, is a mixture of the Laura Mercier translucent powder and the Benna banana powder. I've been using this mixture for years. It does keep me from looking old and cakey under the eye. I did go in and add the Mary Kay foundation powder, which is I'm showing you right now. I regret that. I should have just stuck to the Laura Mercier and Ben Nye mixture, because this actually did have me looking old under the eye. So your makeup can definitely make or break you. It can age you. It can make you look younger. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and line our eyes. This is the Kate Von D, the KVW eyeliner, the tattoo liner. This is actually my favorite liner because it gives me the precision that I need. I do still have some of the NYC liners, but I didn't want to go for a wing look. I just wanted a slight eye line. So I wanted to kind of look natural. So I'm just going to keep this as close to the lash line as possible. And you see I'm not going too far up. I did have to pull my eye to actually get it to line correctly because, baby, these lids got a little extra skin on them. I don't know what's going on. It's like I gained weight and I got extra eyelids coming from somewhere. So I did go ahead and line my eyes, both eyes. And now I'm going to go in with my Sephora I think it's the Micro Smooth setting powder. This does have a lot of dust to it, but I absolutely love the way it sets. Yes, I said loves. I absolutely love the way it sets my skin. It does not leave me cakey. It is the right amount of coverage. It's so pretty on, y'all. That is so pretty. So I'm using the Too Faced chocolate bronzer to bronze my skin up a little bit. Apparently I was trying to bronze my hair too, so I had to get that out of the way, but I'm going to go ahead and bronze up to add some color back, because right now I'm looking like Casper's little cousin, and we're not trying to have that, so we got to add a little color to this face and also slim it down some. We work 2023, we are working on getting this whole body slimmed down, okay? That's what we're working on. I just need to be consistent. Alright, so I did go with a heavier bronze look on this one, and I love the way it turned out. I'm adding in some Neutrogena blush. Their blushes are extremely pigmented. I really love them. This is my favorite blush by them. I'll put all of the details for all of the products that I use down below, the colors and everything, and then I'm going in with my MAC Fix Me Plus. I don't know. I always get the name of that wrong. And then I'm going in with the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. Right now, that is my favorite. I'm trying to work through all of my mascaras because I have a ton. As you can see, I got the bottom of my eye a little bit. So the trick to cleaning up mascara is to actually let it dry completely and then go in with a Q-tip and flake that off. So I'm going to clean that up in just a minute, so don't mind that. Now it's time for my magnetic lashes. I showed these in my last video. I love these. These are perfect if you are a beginner to lashes, or you're just like me and lazy and don't like to use the glue sometimes. This makes it really, really easy. It goes on without any trouble. And if you notice, my eyes actually look a little bit lighter once I put on the eyeliner. Anybody else notice that? All right, so I'm just going to put on my lashes. It only takes a hot second to do that. Like I said, these magnetic lashes are super easy to use. All right, now I'm going to put my other one on. Okay. And I'm just squeezing the lashes, the fake lashes and my real lashes together. And then I forgot to contour my nose. So I'm going to go in with that same Too Faced bronzer and contour my nose. Got to snatch that. And this is a Sonia Kashuk brush that I'm using. I got that from Target. And this brush is specifically to contour my nose. It is the perfect size to contour. Like I said, I will put the name of it if I can find it down below. But you can see how that just made a big difference in how my nose was looking. It definitely has some more definition to it. All right, and I also contour the sides of my nose just to make the sides look a little bit smaller too. And then I'm going to go in with my Beauty Blender, and any product that's left, I'm going to put that on. This is the Ofra highlighter. I have been using this for years, and I absolutely love it. It's not too much. It gives you just the right amount of glow, so I'm going to put a little bit of that in there. All right. So let's see here. I am just blending everything in.
All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah.
Right now it's time for lips. I'm using the color Crayon Case lip liner, and I believe it's called Adorable. I just line my lips with that, and then I'm also going to use their gloss and Pecan is Poppin'. I love this color combination. It's really subtle. It gives me a natural look, and it just goes perfectly with the eyes. It looks really pretty. And this look can be worn anywhere. Like if you're just going out to lunch, or you're going to church, or you're going to work. It is actually corporate girl friendly. So if you want to wear it to work, by all means try it. And don't mind the little lip gloss that I got on the outside of my lip. I did fix that. You know, my lips are teeny tiny. I'm ready for some new ones. So here's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.